And World Rugby superstar John Olomu has arrived in Nadi in the last hour. Lomu, accompanied by his family, is here as chief guest at the Coral Coast Sevens in Singatoka that starts on Thursday. Also here for the first time and eager to play in front of the Fiji crowd, the world's top point scorer in Sevens rugby.
In his 12-year international Sevens run and finally arriving in Nadi, former England Sevens pivot Ben Gollings here for the first time to play at the Coral Coast Sevens in Singatoka.
It's something that I've been looking forward to for a long time, and when the opportunity arose, I was extremely excited, and I've had the warmest of welcomes arriving literally 10 minutes ago. It's been excellent, so it's great to be here.
A business partner with Fiji's own famous Sevens son, Waisale Serevi, they've been opposing each other for long, but got together in one side in last July for the first time. This week in Singatoka, two of the world's best in Sevens will unite again.
Now to have the opportunity to do it again in his home country in Fiji, where Sevens is the national game, and we're quite popular. It's going to be awesome, and I'm cherishing the opportunity. 32-year-old
Gollings looks fit. He has played 70 tournaments for England and is the top point scorer all time, 2,652. The man once Fiji loved to hate was feeling at home today.
Weather's not too hot, although I've been living in Sri Lanka, so I'm used to the heat now. I've been acclimatised, but from what I hear, yeah, it's going to be an excellent tournament with some strong competition. So it's a good job in a way. We've got a pretty strong side to be able to compete.
Icons are rare and treasured. Gollings, a well-known Sevens player in the world, knows that reach is also here in Fiji. Satish Narayan, Fiji One News.